We finna do an experiment to see how long do he be taking to eat the shake when we get out the car.
Yeah, I ate that shit, nigga. You ate the milkshake?
Why you ate my milkshake? Don't get low.
Why did you do that?
He had to take that risk. He said,
Now you're not getting no cookies.
yeah, look at his shit. look at side
You
eye.
ate this milkshake?
Don't look like you on it. Your evidence on it.
I mean, cleared the. He
If
cleared
we
it.
came back too soon, he would have got the rest of it.
Why would you do that?